Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best washing machine available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the CrownBear folding washing machine. I was skeptical about how a machine this size could handle multiple functions, but it truly delivered. The integrated washing and draining feature is a standout, eliminating the need for separate appliances. I particularly appreciated the soft clothes program, which has been gentle on my delicates. The intelligent 3-speed mode became my favorite feature. I found myself using the gentlest setting for my silk blouses and the strongest for my workout gear. This adaptability is something I never knew I needed in a washing machine. The 360 degrees gentle washing mechanism is not just marketing hype. I've observed how it moves clothes around the drum, ensuring every item gets equal treatment. It's particularly effective for removing tough stains without damaging the fabric. The positive and negative pulsator technology fascinated me. It mimics hand washing motions, providing a thorough clean without the wear and tear. I've noticed my clothes coming out cleaner than when I used to hand wash them, yet they still maintain their shape and color. At number 2 is the ZENY portable clothes washing machine. The standout feature of this machine is undoubtedly its dual tub design. One tub handles the washing, while the other takes care of spin drying. This setup has been a game changer for me, allowing me to multitask and speed up my laundry process significantly. Living in a cramped apartment, every inch counts. The ZENY washer's compact design has been a blessing. When not in use, I can easily tuck it away in a closet or corner, freeing up valuable space in my tiny living area. One feature I've grown to love is the ability to customize wash and spin cycles. I can set the wash cycle for up to 15 minutes and the spin cycle for up to 5 minutes, depending on my laundry needs. This flexibility allows me to balance thoroughness with water and energy conservation. Despite its solid construction, the ZENY washer is surprisingly lightweight. I've moved it around my apartment with ease, which is a huge plus. This portability would be especially handy for those who frequently change locations or enjoy outdoor activities. At number 3 on our list is the 25 pounds full automatic washing machine. When the washing machine arrived, I was immediately struck by its compact size. Despite its 25 pounds capacity, it didn't overwhelm my small apartment space. The plastic housing gave it a modern look, and I appreciated the brand new condition it arrived in. Plugging it in was straightforward, with the machine running on standard 120 volts AC power. I noticed the power consumption ranged from 250–300 W, which seemed reasonable for its size and capabilities. The 8 water level options proved to be more useful than I initially thought. Whether I was doing a full load or just a few items, I could adjust the water usage accordingly, which I imagine would be particularly handy when camping or in areas with limited water supply. At 65 pounds, it's not exactly lightweight, but I found I could move it around my apartment without too much trouble. The compact design meant I could tuck it away in a closet when not in use, a big plus for my small living space. Moving up at number 4 is the 17.8 lbs portable washing machine. Living in a small apartment, space is a precious commodity. This washing machine's compact design is a godsend. Despite its small footprint, I was pleasantly surprised by its 17.8 pounds capacity. I can easily move it from my bathroom to the kitchen when needed, which is a huge plus. The stainless steel honeycomb inner liner is a thoughtful touch, reducing wear and tear on my clothes. The 2-in-1 washer and spin dryer combo is where this machine truly shines. With just one click, I can wash and dry my clothes efficiently. The spin dryer is impressively powerful, removing about 90% of the water. This feature has been a game changer, especially when I'm in a rush to get my laundry done. I'm particularly impressed with the variety of washing options. With 10 programs and 8 water levels, I can tailor each wash to my specific needs. Whether it's a delicate silk blouse or a heavily soiled pair of jeans, this machine handles it all with ease. The auto unbalance detection feature is a standout, ensuring my laundry stays safe even during vigorous spin cycles. At number 5 is the COSTWAY portable washing machine. The washing program is straightforward, offering a drainage-only option. While this might seem limited compared to full-sized washers, I found it perfectly adequate for my daily laundry needs. The 120W power consumption struck a good balance between efficiency and cleaning power. One feature that really stood out was the spinner. With an 8 pounds capacity, it efficiently removed excess water from my clothes, significantly reducing drying time. This dehydrating function is a real game changer, especially in my small living space where air drying clothes can be a challenge. The portability of this washing machine cannot be overstated. Its compact size allowed me to easily move it around my apartment, storing it in a closet when not in use. I can imagine this being incredibly useful for RV trips or even in a dorm room setting. Given its size and power, I was pleasantly surprised by how quiet the COSTWAY machine operates. While not silent, it's certainly less noisy than I expected, making it suitable for use in small living spaces without causing a disturbance. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.